evaluate the indefinite integral. And we're going to be using the substitution rule. Okay, so we have a rational expression here. What is u? U will be x minus 3. That will be our best choice. And I'll show you why. So use x minus 3. Now what is the differential of u? It's just going to be, we're just going to write du right below the u. And over here, we're just going to find the derivative of x minus 3. What is that going to be? It's just going to be 1, right? The derivative of x is just 1. The derivative of negative 3 is just 0. So we just have 1. But we're going to multiply that by dx. We always do that. Take the derivative and multiply it by dx. So du is equal to dx in this case. Great. Now what do? Well, let's just substitute everything. Everything. So x minus 3 is just u. So write a u down at the bottom. Now, up top we have x plus 5. Just going to leave that for 1 second. The dx I can just replace by du. Usually, or rather, many times, we can actually just cancel things out once we figure out the differential. That's not one of those cases. Because of that, I'm just going to replace this x right here for something in terms of u. And how can I do that? Well, I can just isolate x right here. So I can just add 3 to both sides of the equation. And I know that x will be just equal to u plus 3. Well, after all, u is equal to x minus 3. So x must be equal to u plus 3. So what does that mean? So I'm just going to take the u plus 3 and replace it right there. So I'm going to get u plus 3 plus the original 5 over u du. Okay, now 3 plus 5 is just 8, like we all hopefully know. So we have u plus 8 over u du. Great. Now what can we do? We can actually split this up. U plus 8 over u is equal to u over u plus 8 over u. U over u is just 1, so I can just rewrite this as 1 plus 8 over u du. Look at that. Now we can actually take the integral. And what is the integral of 1? That's just u. Right? Yeah, of course, because now the derivative of u would be 1. What about the integral of 8 over u? Remember that the integral of 1 over u is just the ln of the absolute value of u. So 8 over u, what is the integral of that? We're just going to have 8 times the ln of the absolute value of u. And of course, we need to add a c at the end, our constant. Great. Now we're almost done. But of course, we need to plug in x minus 3 for each u. So we're going to end up with x minus 3 plus 8 ln of x minus 3 plus c. And that's it.